Yay, finally it's here, our Miele tumble dryer. After some extensive research using ChatGPT, which I can highly recommend. It's much better than any Witch magazine, if you remember that back in the day. My dad used to get Witch, and we wouldn't buy almost anything until we consulted Witch magazine. But the new ChatGPT with web search is far superior. Anyway, let me unwrap this, or unbox this, and let's see. And we need to keep the wrapping because we're here for at least another year while our new house, hopefully that the deal for that gets settled hopefully soon, and then all the renovation and rebuild. So have to keep the packing material because we want to safely deliver this to its proper home when we finally get our new home done. Okay, and by me recording this as well, I'll know exactly how the packing material goes. That's for the top there. Lots of cellophane, unfortunately, but and polystyrene. Okay. Now, for all those interested, this is the Miele TEF765WP EcoSpeed 8 kilograms tumble dryer. When I was doing research, I didn't realise there's a whole new thing of heat pumps. I know about heat pumps because my Tesla has one, and it means it's when you put on the air conditioning in a car, an electric car especially, well, in any car, it uses more fuel. And with an electric car, obviously, you want to preserve as much battery as possible. And yeah, the Tesla has this amazing heat pump. And when I read that, you know, our tumble dryers come with heat pumps, that's really good. Okay. Okay. That's at the side. Now, when researching for tumble dryers, because you know, I thought that tumble dryers need to be kind of either plumbed in or need a vent out, and obviously as we're renting here, that's not going to be possible because, you know, we can't, you know, drill a hole in the wall to vent out. So I wondered to see whether there were any freestanding tumble dryers, and then that's what led me to seeing that these new heat pump tumble dryers are just freestanding. They don't need any plumbing, they just need to plug into electrical socket, and that's it, they work. So for all those ASMR, sorry, let me take off. I wonder, should I take this off? No, I think I'll wait till it actually gets, it could be over a year. Anyway, let me get rid of the rest. I need to remove wonder, I'll keep it on the stand. Yeah. Should I take it off that? don't know. Let's see. That's no good. Again, the model AAA plus, the highest rating you can, the highest rated tumble dryer there is. As you know or may not know, we're, as I said, building an eco house, and therefore electrical efficiency is going to be very key, because we're going to be wanting to be as much as off-grid as possible. We're having solar panels and a very large battery wall, so you know all our appliances and stuff need to be super efficient, and that's why we got the most efficient tumble dryer, which is this model. This is where the water collection goes, so you have to check and empty that. This part here is kind of the only maintenance part you need to do, is just, you know, vacuum out that. Well, that's a bit damp. Presumably it's because it's been tested. Anyway. And again, another reason why the Miele one, this one is minimal maintenance kind of needed for this. You know, it does have these things here which are fragrances. There are a couple of fragrances that it comes with, so you can choose between two different fragrances to when you dry your clothes. That's what these are. So there's any kind of other consumables that you would have if you want your clothes smelling nicely. There's these fragrance modules, and that's it. Oh yeah, let me show you this. So show the our energy rating. As I said, won't find a more efficient tumble dryer than this one. It's AAA rated. So it says here use 161 kilowatt hours annually, based on, I suppose, average use. Okay, that was it. This is the first, no, tell a lie, this is our second major appliance purchase. The first were the infrared heating panels that I got for the house, but this is the first of the kitchen appliances, eco ones, that we've got. Okay, hopefully you enjoyed that video, and see you in the next one.